I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus.
What's up, guys? I'm John with DEFY Products, and welcome to Belmont Park. Let's go take a look at the setup we have over here.
Now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow. All the fake fans gon' pile up.
So this is our longest cable cam run to date. It's 3,800 feet long. We have a 3,400 foot run in total to give itself some breaking points on each end. We're standing right underneath it right now on the infield, and you can't even see the dead end down there. It's extremely long run, really impressive setup. We had engineers come and develop and build us our towers and struts for what we needed to install this line. We just got back here for our second season at Belmont, and we've had a couple days to install the line, make sure everything's good, run through all of our parts and stuff. We just got the Dactylcam on the line, so we have the Dactylcam Pro up there, the EX250, and she's a little bit beefed up for this specific application. Since we're chasing horses on the, on the back stretch of the track here, we're going about 50, 55 miles an hour at some points when we need to go and pass the entire herd. So super impressive system. Everything's wireless. We're running a Wave Central for our video link. It's a really cool angle to be able to track these horses at high speed and seeing the entire herd from a slightly aerial perspective. Because by the time we get down to that center of the line, if not the middle, the middle, say 2,000 feet, you're about 15 feet off the ground is kind of where our camera height is. So in that perspective, the horses on the back stretch, it's a really cool angle.
I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things.
This Dactylcam's built with specific bushings on the board to make sure nothing vibrates off or comes loose or anything like that. So right now I'm just walking with the pulse controller. As you can see, we've got our comms box down here. I'm running just our internal 915 radio right now. Just to walk it so we can be fully wireless from everything. For the race, this isn't our long distance radio. So we have our 2.4 wireless Ethernet radios that we use for our really long distance runs, which is mainly for our operation. So right now we're gonna finish this walk. We're gonna head up to the press box, which is about 2,000 feet away from where the cable cam is right now. And we're gonna go hook everything up and I'll show you what that stuff looks like. So this is the EX250, of course. We have a console here. It's a 4K 1-inch sensor from Sony. It's a 3-axis stabilized head. We're running everything right now through Ethernet, our Ethernet radios. So everything's being run through one single radio that's being pumped out to the system. So everything from control on the sled to the head control here, we're using that one antenna. Right now I'm using my feet to drive the system left and right. And I've got zoom control, I've got tilt. And now I can track these horses and get some really amazing shots.
I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain.